Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, so I'm here today for the reading of the month May 2020. Every one of you, most of you were messaging me for to upload a reading for the month of May 2020. So I'm here for from the zodiac sign Aries to Piscean. So today I'll be doing the reading for the zodiac sign Aries, how your month will be, how your May month will be. Okay, but before that, I just want to tell you that if you want to support my channel, kindly help me with the donation. The donation link is given in the description box below, and you can pay me through PayPal or the Google Pay. The second important thing is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing is that I am doing 10 days Vasool online tarot learning workshop via WhatsApp video call, Skype video calls and Zoom video calls. If you want to book, kindly check out the description box below. If you want to check out the details for the month of May giveaways, so kindly check out in the description box below, because we are giving the 5 personal readings for Vasool giveaways that will be free of cost, and the winners will be announced in the first week of June. Okay, so yes, you have to follow the steps. That is, like, you need to comment #Vasool giveaway, you have to like my channel, you have to like my videos, you have to subscribe my channel, and you have to share it further. Okay, and you have to send me the screenshot via Gmail ID given in the description box below. Okay, so yes, how your 3 to 4 weeks will be, Aries. Let's check it out. Okay, so yeah, I'll be taking out 6 card spreads, like, past and present and the future, and further if required I'll be clarifying it. Okay, so yes, for sure. And kindly comment down what kind of videos you want me to upload. Okay, so yeah, I'll be grateful for it, because during this lockdown I feel that every tarot card reader is uploading a lot of videos, I guess. So yeah, for sure I'll be trying my best for it. Okay, so yes, I've uploaded the monthly reading for month of May, April and June, April, May and June. So kindly check it out in my YouTube channel. Okay, on this YouTube channel, because I've uploaded a lot of readings recently, collective readings for the month of May, your feelings for the month of May, and monthly readings, 3-month reading I have done. Okay, so kindly check it out. Okay, so yes, okay, let's check it out. Woohoo, this is a love reading, guys. Okay, Aries, I feel you are going through some sort of mental torture. Okay, I think you, in the past, you and the current situation, you wanted to, show your love to someone, towards a connection. Okay, but you couldn't. You're overthinking about your things. Okay, overthinking about different things with this connection. I think you're stopping yourself from moving forward with this connection. Okay, I think your mind is blocking you. There is a conflict going on in the past. It was like there was a conflict between your head and mind, between your head and heart, I guess. Okay, and you are conflicted within yourself, with you only. Okay, so yes, I feel that there is a lot of dragging, is going on to take a step, to take an action. Okay, you're not taking an action for whatever you feel. You're not taking an action, okay? You're thinking about it, analyzing it, contemplating it, but in the past also you didn't took the action, and that's why I think you both are in two different locations. You are separated right now, not in communication, I guess, okay? So, and if there will be any communication, it will be very less, okay? So you're not taking any action of what you feel. You have certain kinds of feelings with this connection with a person, but you're not accepting your feelings, okay? You were not and you are not. You are going through some internal healing, internal transformation, but lot of things are going on within you. I feel that you are analyzing a lot about different things. You are thinking of giving excuses, but I think excuses doesn't work, my dear, like this, okay? So now let me clarify the Five of Swords first, okay? You are feeling very conflicted, disputed, okay, with this connection. I feel the more you analyze things, the more you will get clarifications, okay, of your current situation. I feel that you're blocking yourself with something. I think, yeah, see what I told you. There's a war going on with you, with yourself, within you. Yes. You want this connection, I feel, because there is, I think so, Page of Cups, okay? So you want this connection, you're analyzing a lot, you're thinking a lot, okay? In the current situation also, you, whatever things happened into your past, you are thinking a lot about it, and in the current situation also you are thinking about it, but you are blocking yourself, okay? There is a war which is going on between your head and mind, okay? And that's why I feel that in the past a conflict took place between you and your partner, okay? Some sort of conflict energies were there, so some sort of conflict or fight happened with you and your partner, okay? So yeah, and that is what your current situation is, and you are contemplating a lot about this, okay? Now let me clarify. This was the past and the present situation. Let's clarify the future situation, okay? Wow, like I feel that you're trusting your intuition. Your intuition level is very high, guys, okay? And a sort of possible reunion might be taking place for you guys. You want this connection, but you are not following your instincts. You want to walk away from this connection, okay? Either you want to walk away from a person, or the other person wants to walk away. Take it how it resonates with you, okay? I feel that there is a chance of a reunion, possible reunion or a reconciliation might be taking place, but it will only happen when you will, get into your own power, back to your own power, when you will gain a lot of confidence into your life. Only then a possible reunion or reconciliation might be taking place, okay? You want to be into your power, you have to be, okay? You have to follow your self-confidence, okay? A lot of realization you are going through. You are realizing a sort of thinking that this connection is important to you. This is a powerful connection for you guys, and you are realizing it, okay? And I feel, guys, that we create our own lives, okay? So trust your intuitions, whatever your intuition is telling you. If you are not allowing yourself to accept your realizations, your true feelings, you are ditching yourself, okay? So you need to understand, trust your own intuitions, trust your own feelings, okay? But I feel that either of the one person wants to walk away in the future, but I feel that universe is not going to do this, because there might be a possible reunion might be taking place for you guys, okay? So let's check out the general message from the universe, okay? General message from the universe. I hope this is visible to you. This is Six of Wands. Take action, guys. In the upcoming future, you have to take an action when it comes to a connection. Either take action and leave it on the universe, or else sit and think and contemplate it. Okay, it depends on you, whatever you want to do, but I feel that you should take an action with this connection. Stop thinking, stop contemplating a lot, and take action. Take take it seriously, guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, if you want to help us with the donation link is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to check me out about your current energies for all the zodiacs daily, kindly go to my Facebook page, Vasol Tarot Prediction. I am coming live every single day at between 2 to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, so you can check me out. You can ask your specific questions over there. So yes, guys, okay, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction, guys. Okay, thank you so much.